Today we are back at a shop with trouble. Oh, John's upset he's not in the shop. Come on, John. I know you like to be here. I know.
Tell me what you're doing.
I know. So anyway, we're here with trouble. This time though, it's not a problem this time. This time we are going to do something about the way the steering handles on this rig. Tell them about it, John.
The steering's perfect. All right, it's a little wobbly, just slightly.
So we're getting a Safety Plus installed. It's the one shop that we could find that would take us last minute before our trip to Yellowstone, because we didn't want to have to do all those adjustments before going to Yellowstone, right, John? Especially since I want to drive too, and it gets kind of scary with the way this thing moves from side to side, especially when a truck comes.
Right.
So we are here at RV Services of Virginia.
Yes.
Right?
RV Service
of Virginia, and we are going to get a Safety Plus system. Now, we're a little foolish because they haven't told us how much. They give us an hourly rate, but I think it's a fair rate. What do you think?
Yeah, it sounds good.
It's definitely worth it. What's wrong?
You're tilting. You're going the other way now. You were slowly going this
How about
way.
this for you, John?
Yeah, that's great.
So, hang out, watch, see what happens.
And subscribe.
Look at the camera, John. Subscribe. Wait, we have to give them value before we ask for subscriptions, John.
You'll get to see our Safety Plus.
Now, unfortunately, they won't let us come in.
No, we won't be able to.
See you good, John. Go ahead, tell them, John.
I'm done.
Tell them, John. The people want to know. Okay, unfortunately, we can't come in. I understand it's a safety reason. They have insurance issues.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna hang out and wait and see what happens in the end. Hey, John.
What?
Let's go get some breakfast.
Yeah, let's go.
You think trouble will be different after this?
You know, trouble's going to be trouble if you keep calling it trouble.
We're gonna make trouble less trouble.
Oh.
Let's make less trouble with trouble. You like the sound of that engine?
Yeah, that rumble.
Super duper engine.
That's a big block V8 for you. Nice.
Bye, trouble. I hope you're less trouble when you get back, trouble.
That's a big block.
Why don't you tell everyone why we're looking to get Safety Plus, what's happening when you drive the RV now, and how we came to the decision to get it.
These gassers are hard to drive, especially downhill at any speed. So we figure Safety Plus will help us with that, because it's just crazy, especially when you try to go anywhere near 65 or 70. We figured Safety Plus would stabilize our steering enough that it's more comfortable driving, because it's very fatiguing after a few hours to have to keep steadying this thing so much. It will help with oversteering, side winds, passing semi-trucks, bad roads, and front tire blowout.
While we're waiting for the work to be done on our rig, on trouble, we're gonna go ahead and head down the road here because we are about 5 miles away from General RV. So we're gonna go look at some RVs, have some fun, because I mean, you know, what else would you do, right?
5 miles.
Right.
Take exit 89 onto Lewistown Road.
We're all the way down in Richmond, hours away from home. So we might as well go look at some RVs, the General RV, where the very same General RV where we first picked up trouble.
Yes, the very same.
Yeah, it's like going back to where we adopted her. I would say give birth, but birth would have been done in Indiana.
Yeah.
Take exit 89 onto Lewistown Road.
I don't know if they'll let us film. Sometimes they're kind of, we're not picking up. And I don't know, we're not exactly, I don't think, on their good list right now.
What? Do you think they have a sign in the back? Watch out for these two?
I don't know. We didn't take delivery of our RV. I don't know what to expect.
That's true.
I don't know. But anyway.
Word might get around.
While we're waiting, we'll go take a look. If we see anything interesting, we'll let you know. Hey, John.
What?
So the last time we were here and we were sitting in this spot with our salesman, Jeff Paulson.
Right.
And we brought our bounder. How many subscribers did we have then?
Almost none.
Almost none. We had probably about maybe 50 subscribers.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
I keep edging off. There you go. I kept edging
Well,
off.
then come
the
closer
screen.
to me. If you're so concerned. There.
No, I'd
Why,
like to be
you
on the
scared-
screen.
You scared of me, John?
Yes, I am actually.
You should be.
Yep. See?
You should be. Okay, so the last time we were here, we bought our bounder.
Yeah.
We're sitting at the same desk
Yeah.
with our salesman,
Yeah.
Jeff, who sold us our bounder.
Right.
And do you remember how many subscribers we had then?
Almost none.
Almost none.
Yeah.
All of our subscribers were family. How many do we have now, John?
Like 5,500, something like that.
Yeah,
5,600.
we have about 5,600 subscribers now.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. So thank you everyone out there for supporting us and helping us to grow.
Yeah.
We're really excited about that. So how about we go take a look at some RVs?
Why not?
Got the call, so we're heading back.
Yep. Time to go.
Yep.
You could do it yourself, but we didn't have the time. If you look under our vehicle, you can see it consists of a shock absorber mounted between the frame and the tie rod.
All right, there's the true test right there, John.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't even notice. I should have.
How does that compare to like liquid springs?
I mean, it's not the same because liquid springs smooths out the suspension also, but this is much better on the steering. I like it because it's not moving around a lot like it used to. Now it stays where I put it. This is great. I like this. Feels wonderful. And this is going to be a much more relaxing trip.